begin today's class. See, in previous lecture,
Sir.
we have seen half single phase, half bridge inverter, right? The problem with half bridge inverter was that we have to have 3-wire system, right? So that we can have plus VDC by 2 and minus VDC by 2. But it is always very difficult to have 3-wire system. To overcome this, we go for, let me end with this, Sandeep. Okay. To overcome this, we go for single phase full bridge inverter, right? As compared to half bridge inverter, in full bridge, we have twice of the devices as compared to half bridge, right? But that is not an issue. Reason is the output voltage in this case is that twice as compared to the previous one. So that is not a problem with us, right? Today we will see single phase full bridge inverter, which we have already started in our previous lecture. Let me change the view. Right. So here it is. Here it is. This. Let me take some pens. Okay, fine. You can notice that these 4 devices are there. S1, S4 will conduct simultaneously. S2 and S3 will conduct simultaneously. Right? We have seen the concept of pole voltage. This is A point, one terminal of the load. This is B, another terminal of the load. We will find out the pole voltage VAO, VBO. If we have pole voltage VAO and VBO, then load voltage will be given by VAO minus VBO, right? So we will draw, okay, let me add 3 more people, Ekta, Sehjad and Navneet. Fine. Let us draw the wave shape of this. Here we have load voltage we want. So first VAO, pole voltage we will find out. Then we will find out, let me take some another color, pole voltage VBO, right? Half of the period, that is T by 2, that is T by 2, whenever VAO is, it is having 2 values. One is VDC by 2. Harman, let me add Harman. Okay. Whenever this S1 is on, you will have pole voltage VDC by 2, because this A terminal is connected to this point. So OA is VDC by 2. Whenever S3 is on, pole voltage VAO is equal to 0. Whenever this is on, this voltage is minus VDC by 2. With respect to 0, this point is minus VDC by 2. So whenever S1 is on, it will give you VDC by 2. Whenever S3 is on, it will give you minus VDC by 2. So as far as this terminal A is concerned, switching logic has to be developed such a way that half of the period S1 must be on and half of the period S3 must be on, right? So we will have pole voltage like this, pole voltage like this, isn't it? This value is plus VDC by 2 and this value is minus VDC by 2. During this period, S1 is conducting. During this period, S2 is conducting. See, I am drawing the waveform for resistive load. Be careful. Whether it will conduct or not in case of RL load, that is decided by the current flowing through this, right? At present, I am going to draw it for resistive load, resistive R load, right? For R load, I am drawing. So S1 is conduct like this. Now, VDO, yes, yes. Any doubt?
सर नेटवर्क सर सही नहीं आ रहा सर, रुक रुक कर दिख रहा है और कभी कभी ब्लैक हो जा रहा है।
अभी इज इट विजिबल?
सर विजिबल तो है लेकिन मतलब रुक जा रहा है
सर, रुक के चल रहा है सर वीडियो।
यस सर, आज का क्लियरिटी भी कम है।
हमें लगा कि हमारा नेट खराब है
सर, क्लैरिटी भी नहीं आ रही है।
अच्छा, जस्ट अ मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट।
आपकी आवाज सही आ रही है बस।
अरे यार, वो मैं हैंड फ्री लगाना ही दिव्यांशु भूल गया था, आज वो स्पीकर से चल रहा था लैपटॉप पे। जस्ट ए मिनट, जस्ट ए मिनट, जस्ट ए मिनट, मेरे को ध्यान ही नहीं रहा था कि वो हैंड फ्री लगाने का। अभी मेरा वॉइस इज क्लियर? लेट मी
सर वॉइस क्लियर है सर, आपका वीडियो आपकी क्लियर नहीं है सर।
वीडियो इज नॉट क्लियर, व्हाई इट इज सो?
ना निशांत,
let me check.
Yes sir.
Enable HD. Okay. Now see the quality. Now is it okay? Or still there is some problem?
सर एक्चुअली ऊपर लिख कर आ रहा है कि आपके नेटवर्क बैंडविड्थ लो है।
यस सर।
एक सेकंड रुको। अच्छा, होल्ड डाउन।